You probably didn't know about these 5 sponge hacks. They'll completely change your daily routine. First trick, take a kitchen sponge and add 1 tablespoon of table salt. Place it on a fridge shelf. The salt will absorb all the moisture and bad odors. Your food will stay fresh much longer. Second use, take a dry sponge and rub your clothes with the green, rough side. It works like a lint roller, but reusable. In the next trick, carefully cut a sponge and attach it to the end of a broom handle. Now you can easily clean hard-to-reach spots. Throw clean sponges into the washing machine with your clothes. They'll catch pet hair and small fibers during the wash. Your clothes come out looking fresh with no extra effort. The last hack will transform your kitchen. Cut a slit into one side of a sponge and insert a laundry pod or a piece of soap. When wet, the sponge slowly lathers, giving you endless foam. One sponge, so many clever uses.